Hi guys, how are you today? And today I have a quite an interesting video. It's quite different, but still really helpful. Yeah, so I'm gonna tell you about like how to balance combustion reactions of hydrocarbons. And the reason I'm doing this is because one of my mates from year 11 is doing the exams, and he just asked me that question, and I actually found a really easy way once he showed me how he did it. So yeah, this is just for other like people doing the exams and how they would do it. Now, yeah. So let's start. So let's say C2 H6, which is an alkane, and that's ethane. So let's say ethane reacts with oxygen, and that makes water and carbon dioxide. My bad. And always remember, any hydrocarbon which combusts or reacts with oxygen always gives you hydrogen, not hydrogen, water and carbon dioxide. So yeah, that's how you do it. And O2 is you always add the 2 because it's in the gas form. And the way I'm about to show you is actually the easiest way to balance equations, so use this for other equations as well. So okay, let's jump straight into it. You see the 2, well actually wait, is the 2, yeah. You see the 2 in front of the C, so in this case for ethane it's C2, so you put that 2 in front of the carbon dioxide. So yeah, so you put the 2 there, and then the carbon is balanced, so there's 2 carbons on that side and there's 2 carbon on the other side, so yeah, those are equal. Then the number of hydrogen atoms, you half that and then put the number in front of the water, so that gives you 3, and then you put that in front of the water, and then the hydrogens are balanced. Now the last step is pretty the hardest step, I would say, but it's the step which like sort of finishes you off and gets you the right answer. So yeah, you basically add your oxygens together, so on this side, so you always do the right side, so there's 3 and then you plus 4. Yeah, it is 3 and 4. I don't know why I wrote 7, but yeah. So wait. Yeah, it is a 7 because you times 3 and 0 and 2 and 2, and that gives you 7. So it's an odd number and you can't divide that by 2. So what you do, just in case this happens, is you put the 2 in front of the hydrocarbon. So in our case, it's 2 molecules of C2H6. So you wait 1 second. Let me just rub the previous. Actually, I won't rub the whole thing out. I'll just rub bits of it and then write in a different color. Okay, let's pick blue. Okay, so you put a 2 there, and now you're left with, well, you start with 2 molecules of ethane. Okay, so then you put the carbon number 2 times 2, 4, and then you put that in front of the carbon dioxide, like I said before, so the carbons are now balanced. Then you do the 6 times 2 because there's H6 times 2, and that gives you 12 hydrogen atoms, and then you half that, and that gives you 6. So you put 6 there, so the hydrogen atoms are balanced. So yeah, then you can cross the hydrogen off, and now you do the same step for the oxygen, but then now you do it again. So on the starting from the right side again, there's 6 oxygens, and then you add 8 onto it. So 6 plus 8 gives you 14. Now once you found out the answer of 14, you divide that by 2 because it's O2, and that gives you, in this case, 7. And then you put that number on front of the O2. So now I'll just color code this and just show you. And that is the answer, and it's pretty easy, and it's quicker than just doing it by trial and improvement if you do it this way. And it saves you quite a lot of time, and exams you really need time. So yeah, let's just color code this. So first steps first, you get the number of carbon atoms in the alkane, in the alkane, and then you put it in front of the carbon dioxide. then you half the number of hydrogen atoms in the alkane, and then you put that in front of the water. So yeah, so that's that. And then you plus the amount of oxygen atoms starting from the right hand side, and then you divide it by 2, and then the number which you get, you put that in front of the oxygen, and that gives you your answer. So yeah, that's pretty much what you get for your answer. So yeah, now here you go. I'm just finish color coding it. Sorry about that. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you quickly balance hydrocarbon chains. Not chains, reactions between hydrocarbons in combustion that's basically reacting with oxygen. Yeah, so that's the quickest way, and it's really simple and it's really fast. And yeah, for anyone that's doing the exams at the moment, and that's why they're watching this video, I hope you get good marks in it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. And so yeah, and this comes in C 1.5, I think, if you're doing the AQA board. So yeah, next time someone asks you, hey, do you know how to balance a reaction between a hydrocarbon and combustion, you can just say yeah, and then you can just give like a smile. So yeah, as I said before, if you have exams, I hope you have achieved the marks which you want. And yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and have a nice day.